Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Ateneo Blue Eagles ang UA Red Warriors 25-21, 25-19, 25-16. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Gutierrez sa likod na kanyang 2 points, 1 attack, 1 ace at 18 excellent sets. Nag-ambag naman si Batas ng 15 points, Pasinio 13 points, Salarson 12 points, Castro 7 points, Gopio 7 points, Gutierrez 2 points. Para naman sa natalong UA Red Warriors, nagtala si Asiro ng 14 points, Piojo 8 points, Kamaymayan 4 points, Posas 3 points, Season 3 points, Aligayon 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Panalo naman ang FEU Tamaraws kontra sa Del Eso Green Spikers 22-25, 25-21, 25-22, 25-19. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Miko Espartero sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 21 attacks, 1 block, 5 aces at 7 excellent receptions. Nagtala si Saavedra ng 17 points, Mendoza 13 points, Talisayan 9 points, Dongala 6 points, Cacao 2 points, Espartero 27 points. Para naman sa natalong Del Eso Green Spikers, nagtala si Campton ng 18 points, Ventura 15 points, Rodriguez 8 points, Fortuna 7 points, Maglinaw 7 points, Del Pilar 5 points, Adahar 4 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, pinataob ng Ateneo Lady Eagles ang UA Lady Warriors 20-25, 25-16, 22-25, 25-15, 15-13. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Minor sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 20 attacks at 3 blocks. Nagtala si Pasha ng 17 points, Di Guzman 17 points, Chuatico 10 points, Solit 6 points, Celia 4 points, Fujimoto 1 point, Montoro 1 point, Hogo 1 point. Para naman sa natalong UA Lady Warriors, Bangayan 24 points, Nogales 14 points, Sipada 10 points, Balingit 9 points, Famulagan 7 points, Cañete 2 points, Icalya 1 point. Winalis naman ng Del Eso Lady Spikers ang FEU Lady Tamaraws 25-17, 25-20, 25-22. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Shivana Lapot sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 18 attacks, 3 blocks at 1 ace. Nagtala si Malaloan ng 12 points, Canino 10 points, Provido 8 points, Del Castillo 2 points, Reyes 1 point, Lapot 22 points. Para naman sa natalong FEU Lady Tamaraws, Bacanque 9 points, Pitalyo 8 points, Panangin 6 points, Asis 6 points, Obaldo 5 points, Eliarina 4 points, Lopez 3 points, Tagaod 1 point, Monares 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of March 15, 2025. FEU Tamaraws 7 wins, 0 loss, 21 points. Enyo Bulldogs 5 wins, 1 loss, 14 points. UST Golden Spikers 4 wins, 2 losses, 12 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Del Eso Green Spikers 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Adamson Soaring Falcons 1 win, 5 losses, 4 points. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win, 5 losses, 2 points. UA Red Warriors 0 win, 7 losses, 1 point. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of March 15, 2025. NU Lady Bulldogs 6 wins, 0 loss, 17 points. UST Golden Tigresses 5 wins, 1 loss, 14 points. Del Eso Lady Spikers 5 wins, 2 losses, 16 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 2 wins, 4 losses, 5 points. UP Fighting Maroons 2 wins, 4 losses, 5 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 2 wins, 5 losses, 7 points. UA Lady Warriors 0 wins, 7 losses, 2 points. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 16, 2025 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maglalaban ang Enyo Bulldogs at UST Golden Spikers alas 9 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Adamson Soaring Falcons at UP Fighting Maroons alas 11 ng umaga. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang UP Lady Marons at Adamson Lady Falcons alauna ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang UST Golden Tigresses at NU Lady Bulldogs alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.